going to be end caps on, and it's going to go straight up into that. The lad's going to weld 90 onto that. Bring it around into that.
What is going on here?
Oh, this is technical stuff, Craig. We're looking at front mounts and rads for a little bit of a V mount.
And I dropped the chip. I dropped the chip on his engine here, so we were trying to find it.
Did you have the chip into the engine or
it's
on
there
the
somewhere. I think it might be in.
I don't think it dropped. I think it was fucking propelled at it.
Yeah, my move. Here, do you know what you're talking about there, Craig?
What were you talking about?
Remember that we done the burn, Adam LZ burn out?
Yeah.
In that the yard, yeah?
Yeah.
That was some fucking...
Do you know what the sketchy thing about that was? How tight it was? When you were doing a burnout
in
the start,
oh, yeah.
and I was doing a burnout here, and then I have to try to get around, then when you drove off and all that.
I was actually shitting myself doing that, and I only need to do a straight line. What are you talking about tight?
The fact as well, there was also a lot of expensive cars the whole way around you.
Jeez, there was the 335, your E36,
yeah.
Rob's AMG.
But come here, you're talking about how tight it is out there. Do you remember the time? Craig, you need to get a clip of that and put it in, right? Also, do you remember, have you any clips of your twin cam and Rick's old shed?
Gee, I only got a memory about that yesterday.
No way. Craig, put in the twin cam in the shed.
Yeah.
Loads around there. There was at least probably 10 inches.
With the big exhaust sticking out, she nearly taking the watch. Jeez, that was mental.
Yeah, that was really tight, to be fair.
You must do one now. We must go through all our old. We must do one of our YouTube. Do
you know what we do?
Huh?
We'll ask the viewers who would like to see some old videos of us.
Jesus, we have some crazy stuff.
We actually do, yeah. Crazy. We done a lot of stupid stuff, I suppose, over the years, haven't we?
Yeah, we did that, alright, yeah.
Back when you were the big time on Facebook.
The book of Facebook.
Never on myself. But anyway, I didn't much. Make sure you put a few clips in there, Craig. And thank you, Craig.
Thanks.
Yeah, Craig,
well, thank you. Where's Richard?
I don't know, we need one of the clipping boards though.
Oh,
buy one of them tonight.
I get on the
but
we know when we're finished.
Yeah, so we're going to get one of them clipping boards, but it's going to be courtesy of YouTube. YouTube are paying for it.
Don't start talking too much about our big spondoolies. Did you know how much we're up?
I hear it's a fucking fair bit anyway.
We're up to $32.
Jeez,
so I think
we're going to buy, what would you call it?
Fucking yoked it. Cut.
Yeah. A cut board.
A cut board, yeah.
So anytime we have to get Rick to cut, we just have to say, Rick, cut. Take 236, Rick.
We probably have to wait for next month for that, really, because YouTube just they need to up their game and start paying more.
Anyway, give me a bit of tubal. I'm going to start fabricating this for you.
Yeah, no, right. We need the cut board in.
Big job on the shed today. What are we doing here now?
We're going to delete that, Craig, right?
Right, that's orange. You don't like orange lights.
Oh, you're meant to have orange on the side of them, but...
Beep.
I don't see. I hope there's no guard watching this. We've lights, yeah?
Yeah.
Lights, yeah? We get them powder coated?
No, they're going to be galvanised. He tried to tell me earlier that he's going to paint them, and I was like, you're getting them galvanised to match the rest of the trailer.
No, I have to. Then down here, Craig, we have the same thing. 2 bars. The 2 bars looks good, doesn't it?
2 bars is... Yeah.
Right, so... yeah, Craig. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, Craig, yeah. I only got the trailer a few days ago.
Yeah. And the one time we actually need the trailer today, it's obviously out of bounds.
Yeah, well, look, do you know what the thing of it? I'm very disappointed with the suspension, you hate, because like you should be able to They should have all this on it.
Yeah, shout out to Independent Suspension, our newest sponsor.
I wish. Jesus. Now some people might go, you mad, doing a bit of an operation or brand spanking new trailer, but Craig, you don't know me.
Yeah, that's the problem.
I'm expert on this. I'm messing with cars.
That's because, yeah, this is your baby now.
It's my baby. Look at her, she's gonna look right well.
It should be jazzy.
And here, yeah, the Porsche. I bought the trailer without measuring the Porsche.
Yeah.
Now I knew what weight it was, but she goes up onto it, she's tight. I didn't realise this was on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Craig, this is the brand new one, brand new version. The old one didn't have that on it, okay? Someone is probably going to comment about it, but whatever, I don't care, right? But yeah, but now in saying that, right, you see the camber, Craig, yeah? In here, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, you need to put your foot in under the wheel.
Yeah.
Right? That can run up the side.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so trailer mods over.
So while I'm waiting for the Craig lad to come, we have to move the 335 outside. It's the first time she's even started in, Jesus, must be since Christmas anyway. Which maybe just after Christmas, so we'll do a little bit of a video here now of her pulling out. Just for the Craig lad. I'm sorry about the wobbles there, Craig, just put the stand up.
What's happening?
What's happening is, Craig?
It's 8 o'clock in the morning, you have 335 pulled outside. I just want to know why.
Because I felt sorry for it in the shed.
Yeah, but it's 8 o'clock in the morning.
I know, yeah, but we just got to
We have neighbours.
Forget about the neighbours, I'm not even revving the Porsche there. You want to give her a wash? You wash her, yeah?
Yeah.
Here, look at I haven't shown anyone this thing yet.
It's about time it's been pulled outside.
Like, that's the side that was against the wall, and it's like brand new. The other side is all manky. Look, that's the ride height. That's the way we drive it, Craig, isn't it?
Yeah.
Huh? Jeez, I miss it. Give her now a wash and we go for now ripping her, what do you think?
Yeah, definitely. See how we get on.
She's due the NCT next month.
We're bringing it to the NCT.
Oh, we have to do that in video, hey?
Yeah, it's booked.
Oh, you have? Yeah, you
I have a book, yeah.
Look at this. Here we did the controller. What's this now? Still red, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Time, Craig. Okay, watch the dust off. I'm gonna back it up, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, bit of rubbing. There's no harm.
That's the job there. This is for anyone who wouldn't be too familiar with this, yeah? This is around 450 horsepower, isn't it?
Yeah.
She's 3 foot. What? Jeez, we have a remapped.
Yeah, it's remapped to about 450 horsepower.
D-cats.
D-cats, front main intercooler.
RA coil packs.
No, you still haven't put them in.
Oh, done a box in there the last 6 months.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, Craig, do you know what? It's like she's going to be baptised.
Baptised?
She's going to be baptised. She's going to get the first bit of water on its little head now. You know?
Yeah, baptised for this year. Is that how it works? You like baptised every year?
I'll tell you something, look at
Oh, kill a baby.
You've been baptised.
So yeah, we'll give her now a bit of an washing. Actually, first of all, I have to drop bits for your trailer to go galvanised in my new daily. In the van.
Daily. Craig blew the gearbox in his little golf. Here, look at Craig. For all the trailer boys out there, look at her.
Yeah, there she is.
Wait till they see her all carted up later. I'll take a few days.
Yeah, it's taking a few days. He was trying to convince. I actually wouldn't let him. He was gonna just paint them, but I was like, it's gonna be just really, really bad looking if you just paint them. So it matter making them go get them galvanised.
Gonna get the dips so they'll be the same colour as the other. Anyway, I'm gonna video me starting to wash this now, right? And I want everyone to think that I'm gonna fully wash the car.
Yes.
Come back to when it's washed when I have it done. After Craig does it.
So yeah.
Big shout out to this shite.
No, not big shout out to them.
No.
Right, so yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. First block in 6 months.
So I'm gonna go drop these parts over, and then we're gonna.
Joe, drop the parts over. I'll have this washed.
Sorry. You just had her wetting the lens.
I'll have this washed when you get back, yeah?
You will, yeah.
And we bring her for a rip. And yeah, we go for a rip with the camera, will we?
We will, yeah. Let's just still remember that it's 8:06 in the morning. What else did we at?
What else you got?
This is our work, technically.
Yeah, well, it's kind of your work. It's like, this is like my hobby. You have to go to work, like.
Yeah, but you do
Make money
both.
to pay for all this shite.
Over. I'm gonna go in here now and talk to Darren, because come to think of it, how we built this car the first time will make people laugh. Darren,
Yes.
I was just thinking now when we were washing the car, yeah? How long do you have the 335?
How long?
Yeah. 4 or 5 years?
No.
Will be.
4 years, maybe?
4 years, yeah?
Yeah.
And what made you buy that car?
Oh, you sent me a picture of one of them.
Yeah.
That car used to be... That's Pandem now. It used to be Liberty Walk, yeah?
Yeah, but everyone's looking at us building these cars and all our sheds and the best of men around us as well to be building the cars.
Yeah.
But me and you done that whole car outside the house.
Oh, it's at our house, yeah.
In the cold.
Yeah.
Like everything to that
We
car.
got the train to Cork.
Train to Cork to collect the car.
We drove it back.
Yeah. And then everything else was literally done outside the house.
That's right,
And
yeah.
I'll put in a load of pictures here now, a bit of a slideshow if you'd call it,
Yeah.
of actually building the Liberty Walk 335 the first time.
Yeah.
And when we first built it,
Yeah.
I think myself and yourself both say it was absolutely disgusting. As we got, the kit just wasn't right. It just nothing was.
I know, yeah.
I remember I came back one day, and I was off of me, ma'am. You had the kit put onto the car.
Yeah.
And I'd say every single hole for that kit had about 6 holes around where the one you actually went for. That was the first time we've ever done anything like that.
Yeah.
Obviously Rick and I were doing that at the time, but you decided to tackle it yourself.
Yeah, I haven't really got the patience. That's why I'm sitting here thinking like of my toy truck, you know.
And how Rick's gonna fit the kit. So yeah, I just thought I'd say that, as I thought it was fairly funny.
That was funny, Paul. Is she not all nice and clean? This
She's all clean, she's ready for us to go for a spin there.
Very good. I want to paint the old floor of the shed there maybe today. She's getting a bit grubby.
Okay, right, let's take 335 for a spin. So, I'm just making down to the S3 here in the 335. I think it's the spot you all know, we always take the pictures in. So let's get out of the car and let's move the car around, get some pictures and videos.